Ready to launch your businesses? Getting your employer identification number is a must. It's your ticket to handling taxes and hiring employees. In just a few simple steps, you can get hassle-free. Let's walk through the process together. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to get your employer identification number. So the first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into irs.gov. So an employee identification number is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service to businesses for tax purposes. It is used to identify a business's entity and is required for various activities such as filing taxes, opening a bank account, and applying for business license. So here we have this page. The first step that you have to do is just click over here and choose business and self-employed. But if we scroll down here, we find how can we help you, and you'll find also here apply for an employer ID number, EIN. You can just click over it or you choose the option I said. Then here we have tools and applications like your account, IRS feel free file, and we have where is my refund and other things such as file. Here we find information for individuals, business, charities, and then we have payment, refunds, credits, and deductions. Then we have forms and instructions. We have here also news and announcements, and this is it. Right now let's just click over business and self-employed and you'll find this page. In this page we have tax information for businesses, tax information, tools and resources for businesses and self-employed. So here we have prepare your taxes, file or pay your taxes, and run your business. We have business types. We have just to read this information, and for example if you want to know more about standard Miller rates, you have just to click over it and then you know more information. Also here you have to choose the option that you want. For example, you have employee ID number, EIN, employment tax, estimated tax, foreign account tax, compliance act. So this is tax information for business. So just to click over employer ID number and you will find this page, employer ID numbers. So this is the definition of employee identification number from IRS. An employee identification number is also known as a federal tax identification number and is used to identify a business entity. Generally, businesses need an EIN. You may apply for an EIN in various ways, and now you may apply online. This is a free service offered by the Internal Revenue Service, and you can get your EIN immediately. You must check with your state to make sure you need a state number or character. So here we have also other options. For example, if you want to know, do you need an EIN? What to do if you are assigned an EIN you did not request? Do you need a new EIN? How to apply for an EIN? And we have several information to know about EIN. So let's click on over apply for an EIN online, and you will find this page, apply for an employer identification number, EIN online. So here we have the steps that you have to follow. For example, the first steps determine your eligibility. You may apply for an EIN online if your principal business is located in the United States or US territories. The person applying online must have a valid taxpayer identification number, SSN, ETAIN, EIN as well. Then we have you are limited to one EIN per responsible party per day. The second step, understand the online application. You must complete this application in one session as you will not be able to save and return at a later time. Then we have here a session will expire after 15 minutes of inactivity and you will need to start over. Then we have here the third step, submit your application. After all validations are done, you will get your EIN immediately upon completion. You can then download, save, and print your EIN confirmation notice. So you have just to click over apply online now, and you can also read this information to more extent about EIN and how it works. Then you will find this page once you click over continue. Here we have the EIN assistant. Important information before you begin. Use this assistant to apply for and obtain an employer identification number. Do I need an EIN or do I need a new EIN? So select the one you want. Then we have here about the EIN consistent. You must complete this application in one session as you will not be able to save and return at a later time. Then we have for security purposes, your session will expire after 15 minutes of inactivity and you will need to start over. Then we have you will receive your EIN immediately upon verification. When will I be able to use my EIN? Then we have if you wish to receive your confirmation letter online, we strongly recommend that you install Adobe Reader before beginning the application if it's not already installed. Then we have a restriction as well. Then we have here the button to begin application and you will find this page as well. So this is the steps that you have to follow if you want to get your EIN. Firstly, we have identify, authenticate, addresses, details, and EIN confirmation. So the first one, we have identify here what type of legal structure is applying for an EIN. Before applying for an EIN, you should have already determined what type of legal structure, businesses, or type of organization is being established. Choose the type you are applying for. If you don't see your type, select your additional types. The first one we have here, sole proprietor, includes individuals who are in business for themselves and household employers. Partnerships includes a partnerships and joint venture. Corporation as well includes S corporations. Personal service corporation, real estate investment, regulated investment conduct, RIAC, and settlement funds. Then we have here limited liability company, LLC, sorry. A limited liability company is a structure allowed by state statute and is formed by filing articles of organization with the state. We have here state and trusts. Then you click for continue and you will find other page, which is this one. It's for authenticate. Please tell us about the responsible party. Must match IRS records of this application, cannot be processed. The only punctuation and special characters allowed are EIN. You have to write your first name, middle name, the last name, the suffix, and you have your SSN and ITIN. So we have just to choose. I'm a responsible and totally authorized partner or general partner of this partnership, or you are a third party applying for an EIN on behalf of this partnership. You have just to click over continue and you will find other one which is addresses as well. Then you have to link this information, then you'll find also details as well, and the last one, EIN confirmation, then you get your EIN. So this is how it works. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video.